I am in the park with my two furry friends, Bella and Minnie. We are going for a walk to search for signs of spring. Come on, let's go. Look at these flowers, friends. They are called daffodils. Daffodils starts with the letter D. Can you say daffodils? These light and bright yellow flowers start to bloom in early spring. So daffodils are a sign of spring. Another sign of spring is the grass gets really green. As you can see, I am in the park and there is so much green grass growing everywhere. Look what I spotted, friends. Bright yellow bushes called forsythia. Forsythia starts with the letter F. Can you say forsythia? These beautiful yellow bushes grow in early spring. They are another sign that spring is here. Look at this tree, friends. It has blossoms all over it. These buds and blossoms show that the tree is starting to grow again. It is a sign of spring. We just moved a rock, friends, and underneath is a squirmy, slimy worm. Yup, you're right. It's another sign of spring. Bella and Minnie just stopped at this tree that has fluffy pink blossoms on it. Yup, these blossoms are another sign that spring is here. These are patches of bright green leaves. One day, stems will grow and they will be beautiful daylilies. These green leaves are a sign that spring is here. Thank you, friends, for joining me on the quest to find signs of spring. We found lots of them. Which signs of spring can you find in your own neighborhood? I miss you all very much and I hope we can be together soon. Bye, friends.